जय श्री कृष्ण
राधे राधे
राधे राधे I am Pradeep Kamis with my energetic team. Me and my team just go to tell something special about Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is a major deity of Hinduism.
He is worshipped eighth avatar Vishnu.
Lord Krishna is also known as Supreme God.
Lord Krishna is the god of protection.
He is the god of compassion.
He is known as tenderness and love too.
Lord Sri Krishna is a popular god of Hindus who born on Janmashtami.
The name of his mother was Devaki.
Vasudev his father.
Yashoda was his foster mother.
Nanda ji was his foster father.
He was born in the prison at midnight.
The birthplace of Krishna is Mathura.
Lord Sri Krishna was looked after very carefully at Gokul by her mother Yashoda and Nand Babaji.
Lord Krishna was sent to the ashram of Guru Sandipani to get education.
He met Sudama there.
Sudama became his best friend there.
Many copies liked him very much.
Radha was beloved of Krishna.
Bhagwan was the father of Radha.
In Braj Kshetra, Lord Sri Krishna and Radha Gopis used to commit Ras Leelas.
The example of true love is given today as Radha and Krishna.
He killed Kans, saved parents.
After killing Kansa, he met his parents Devaki and Vasudev.
Krishna got married with Rukmani.
Since when he began to live Dwarka.
He is also called Dwarkadhish.
It is believed that Lord Sri Krishna had 108 queens.
Although he used to live in Dwarka, yet he had a deep love and affection for Radha.
Uddhav did not beloved loved in adoration.
Uddhav sent to the Gokul to bring the message of Gopis.
Uddhav went to Gopi. He told them should not be for Krishna.
They should believe in Brahma Samaj, Brahmajan.
He tried to teach virtue of yoga and meditation.
Gopis replied to Uddhav that they had already gained yoga, meditation and adoration in love of Sri Krishna.
For the first time in his life, Uddhav understood the value of surrender to Krishna with love, devotion and unconditional truth.
He is central figures in the Mahabharata.
Bhagavad Gita is the principle of Lord Krishna.
It is told Krishna by to Arjuna.
This is a holy book of Hindu culture.
The Gita is full of precious values.
Gita has many slokas which are a form of high moral values to Hindus.
We can also learn no one can control past or future, but one should learn to live in present.
Lord Krishna removed doubt Arjun principle.
After this, Arjuna raised his sword against his relative to establish the dharma.
Since Krishna became the symbol of Dharma Purush.
The Gita gives us a message of our duties.
The Gita teaches us how to know and right action.
There is existence of non-dual gods and it is believed that God is pervades in everything and everywhere.
It is believed and accepted that the Lord Krishna is the only complete personality in this whole universe. We can see everywhere, as in childhood, along with adolescence, in teenage, and as well as a leader. That's why Lord Krishna is the only highly and the complete personality among all Hinduism.
We can learn Gita, reality, nature.
The importance of selfless action, devotion and the path of yoga, central theme of Gita.
For this, Jagannath Puri is only God present time.
The Krishna has 16 arts or kalan.
He used these act in proper way.
It is believed that Lord Sri Krishna is the strongest and greatest incarnation of Lord Sri Vishnu, who is also known in the form of Sri Dwarkadhish, Sri Badrinath, and Sri Jagannath Ji. That's all.
Thank you.